Today, we're not here to point fingers, we're here to face a problem even Parliament hasn't solved. Because the truth is, one of the most powerful buildings in the UK, the Houses of Parliament, is riddled with asbestos.
Decisions that shaped the United Kingdom have been made in the historic Parliament building for hundreds of years, but there are major flaws hiding behind its grandiose walls. An investigation found parts of the structure are badly affected by asbestos.
Over 1,000 known risks in offices, kitchens, stairwells and storage areas, all in daily use, all still there, and they're struggling to deal with it. If they, backed by government budgets, lawyers and full-time health and safety teams, still can't fully remove asbestos, what about your workplace? What about your local school, your office, your warehouse, your shop? Because asbestos isn't just their problem, it's everywhere, and most of us don't even know it.
Asbestos possesses rare qualities, for which it stands alone.
Asbestos was used in over 1 million UK buildings. It hides in ceiling tiles, pipe lagging, wall panels, boiler rooms and fuse boxes. Fibres? That's all it takes. You breathe it in, you don't feel it, you don't see it, but decades later it can kill. It causes mesothelioma, asbestosis, lung cancer, diseases that don't show up for 20, 30, even 40 years. And here's the scariest part. Most buildings still have it, including schools, including businesses. We just learn to live around it. We cross our fingers, we hope the asbestos register is up to date, we hope someone filled it in, we hope someone trained the team, but hoping isn't the plan. In Parliament, the danger is real, and it's still not solved. And if that's how hard it is for them, what chance do the rest of us have? Let's be clear, this isn't about blaming employers or head teachers or facilities management. It's about giving people the knowledge to act, to understand what asbestos is, where it hides, and what the law requires. Because most people don't even know the basics. They don't know they need a COSHH compliant risk assessment. They don't know if their asbestos survey is current. They don't know if their cleaners, contractors or caretakers have ever been trained. And that's the danger. Not just the material itself, but the gap in awareness. So here's what every workplace can do, and right now. Ask to see your asbestos register. Check when your last survey was done. Get a COSHH compliant asbestos risk assessment in place. And train your staff, all of them, not just managers. The Knights of Safety Academy offers free asbestos safety training backed by the International Association for Chemical Safety. It's certified, it's simple, and it's 100% free because asbestos doesn't care where it hides. Whether it's in a 19th century parliamentary building or a 1980s office block, if it's there, it's dangerous. The only question is, do you know? And if you don't, it's time to find out. Don't wait for an inspection. Don't wait for a diagnosis. Get the training, get the tools, get protected. Because if Parliament can't solve this overnight, what makes you think your business can afford to ignore it? Ask, act and protect. And if you're watching this thinking, this might be my workplace, tag your team, share the link, get free training. Because when it comes to asbestos, silence doesn't protect people, knowledge does.